Hey everybody, got a new build I just kind of started working on. It kind of goes well with the last two that I just built, the other Triumph and the classic Porsche. So this is the Triumph TR3A. You know, I didn't really look. This one's a 2003, but I can guarantee it's much older. Let's look at the kit. So, it is a very generic model kit. It's probably got about 30 pieces at the most. What you're looking at now is just the wheels, a body, interior tub is all one piece, a dash, a steering wheel, and the rag top, folded up rag top, and the chassis. So it's not many pieces. I just got the basic coat on right now. There's a lot of imperfections that have to be sanded out, like in here. There's some on this deck lid. So I'm gonna have to wet sand it one more time, give it another coat, then I'll have to mask off everything and paint this black, and then mask this so I can paint that silver, and then I'll have to do some bare metal and all that details. So it's almost done, but not quite. I got a lot still left to do on it, but I do have it as a roller. This pieces are kind of like a snap kit, where these just snap on. The seat has some locating pins and everything, and it just kind of clicks in place. So this is what I have so far for the dash. With the color matching dash, I have to do a lot more detail painting. The center lug is going to be black. The gauges are normally black in these cars, but I think it would look sharp with white gauges. And I'm going to try using that Tamiya, I call it the Tamiya makeup, but it is that weathering kit that comes in a pack. This stuff right here, and I'll probably take that silver right there and try to brush that on and just highlight the points. I'm also going to try to do that for here where it does say Triumph, and on the front they also have the logo on here. This kit did come with the decals, but these are raised up, so I'll probably just try to highlight that. The center decal, maybe I'll try to put on there, the logo. It does have the racing logos as well, so I will be making this into a race car to fit in with the other ones as well. I did do, I mean, the bottom is quite generic, so I did a generic paint and weathering on it. I did some washes to make it look old. Yeah, I was looking to see if they had a date, but there is no date. Now the axles I did add, what I use is it's like a baling wire. So it's like this. So if the kit does have some real cruddy axles on it, like this one did, this one just had some pieces of sprue. I cut that to size to make it work. I usually add some of the round tube styrene pieces to make it so that it would slide on, and just glue it as best as I can. These are just a push fit. They seem to be working quite well, and we'll go from there. So normally I do about 2 videos a week, normally one on Wednesday, which this one will air on Wednesday, and then I do one on Sunday, and if I have extra videos I try one on Friday. That might slow down quite a bit here in the next week or two. I will be working probably around 12 hours, and on Saturday. So I don't know how much modeling time I'll actually get. Quite unfortunate, but I do have vacation coming up, so that will end up balancing out. So just in case you guys missed me, you know, I haven't really left. I'm just super busy at work. Like right now, I'm ready for bed, and it's not even late by my standard time. So we'll see how that goes. Maybe a lot of coffee in the next couple days or so. We'll see. But I think I'm gonna do my video for the Clona toy, and I'll get these posted and scheduled, and then I'll talk to you guys soon. So have a great one, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.